Welcome to the walkthrough of my Kaggle project. It's called GeminiMixTapeAI. So here we leverage the cutting edge AI to create, seamless DJ transitions. So this notebook showcases how Google's Gemini model plays the role of a true assistant in, crafting a professional grade mixtape. So here's the basic setup of the notebook, and at the heart of this project lies the challenge of generating precise transitions between tracks. The goal is to let Gemini shine as it analyzes audio insights and offers actionable suggestions for creating a flawless mixtape. Uh, Let me go over the JSON file. It's basically an insights file which gets created after the downloaded audios get analyzed. So uh, the file gets downloaded in the working directory. It's called djinsights.json, and let me quickly download it. And the data which gets uh, generated from the audio files that we have are basic tempo of the audio, duration, beat times, and then high energy times, and certain other values, right? And each track is downloaded, processed, and ensuring compatibility with the final audio creation. I mean, not just giving the transition suggestions, we also using the notebook we can also uh, together the individual cuts from different audios, and make out a proper mixtape. So uh, the if we if like this is the basic part where the data set gets located. We read the URLs. I have set up a proper data set here. So URLs.txt is a big file. It has around 60 to 65 YouTube URLs. Then this one, stress one URLs, I just picked up exclusively for the video, where I have like six songs in here, YouTube URL songs, and which we'll be downloading and analyzing in here. So once you validated your dataset, now comes the part where we download it, clean the URLs, put it into the directory, working directory, and then once it is done, we start the audio analysis. So this part creates the DJ Insights JSON file, where we have, like I was telling, tempo, duration, beat times, and high energy times. So once that is done, this is the method, this is where the magic happens. So it receives the DJ insights, the transitions data, and then puts them together, and then creates a final audio file, a new audio file, where all of them, the best parts of all of the songs are merged together, right? And then this is basically where we are trying to make the main magic is happening here. So so that every suggestion looks like seems consistent, and aligns or abides by the structure that we have set up. We have set up a sanitized method here, and what this basically does, it sanitizes the response that we receive from Gemini, because however way we write the prompt, it might not result in the same response every time. It might be off by a word, or some comma somewhere, right? So that's why sanitizing it. And then this is where we are giving the DJ insights, the file that I had shown, and we are using Gemini 1.5 Flash model here. And this is where we are building the prompt. So I'm just telling it to be a, you are a professional DJ assistant, and based on the following track inside, generate a suggestion for a playlist. And here I have specified out that okay, fade out track, fade out start, fade out end, and then the track in which we are going to fade in, at which point we are going to start, which point we are going to end. And then along with this prompt, I'm giving it the DJ Insights data. Once it gets done, um, I'm just parsing the JSON response that we get, and so that it abides by the structure that we have defined. And once that is done, some proper error handling is being done here. And then this is the execution block where we instantiate all the paths and everything, and then Gemini does its magic, right? So I had tested the stress one URLs here, and see it worked properly with around 200,000 tokens, right? I did the calculation in here, and it downloaded the file also. So the file gets downloaded. I don't know if the audio would play here or not, but let me try. Okay. So it created a around 5 minute long audio of that. So that's how Gemini Mixtape AI brings the art of DJing into AI era. The project is a testament of like how Gemini can help us solving these creative challenges. So thank you for watching, and I hope this notebook proves to be fruitful and helpful.